Hello, I'm Ben Coombes, EVCP Installation Director for SyncEV, part of the Lasico Group. And welcome to our training video covering the SyncEV compact charge point. During this video, we'll teach you some top-level features and benefits about our compact charge points, as well as providing you with a full unboxing, a guide to the installation process, as well as a commissioning procedure. The SyncEV compact charger is compatible with all electric and hybrid plug-in vehicles. The compact charger is the smallest available charge point solution on the UK market. This makes it a great choice for the customers conscious of siting a charge point on the front of their property. Its small footprint and discreet profile make it easier to place on properties with limited wall space, and it's ideal for customers who would prefer not to see it at all. The compact charge point is available in a matte scratch resistance finish in both black and white, perfect for everyday usage, as well as being easier to match in with guttering pipes and window frames. Installing our 7.4 kilowatt compact charger is a quick and easy experience. The charge point has integrated pen fault protection. This negates the need to install extra earthing protection such as an earth rod, significantly reducing the time and labour involved in installing this charger. Our compact charge point also comes with an integrated Type A RCD and 6 mA DC leakage protection. My favourite new feature is the pilot drilling points on the bottom of the enclosure. Just make sure to follow the instruction guide when drilling the charge point, as drilling in the wrong place could accidentally damage the charger and void your warranty. The compact charge point is available in two different variations. These include a Wi-Fi and RFID model available in either black or white, and a Wi-Fi, RFID plus GSM model with 1 year's data as standard, available again in either black or white. The only difference between GSM and non-GSM models is the GSM is better suited for areas where Wi-Fi is unreliable or unobtainable. In any case, always check at the location that there's a reliable connection, whether it be Wi-Fi or GSM, prior to purchasing and installing the device. The RFID NFC function of our models ensures that both our compact chargers can be used without the SyncEV app. Simply swipe your card to start or stop charging. No matter what challenges installers face when fitting the charge points, there's very much a solution for everyone. All of SyncEV BG's charge point solutions are compliant with the latest smart charging regulations. SyncEV BG provide free, lifetime over-the-air software updates if you're connected to Wi-Fi or have available data on GSM. This means you get the same great smart features in both models, which include energy reports and statistics to help customers save money, automatic off-peak charging, the ability to override smart charging schedules as and when you need it, integrations with popular cost-saving smart tariffs, changing light intensity levels, setting authentications to prevent unwanted use. The SyncEV compact chargers can be used in both domestic and commercial environments as they are full smart charge point solutions. They're also compatible with the SyncEV Smart app and back office. Our compact chargers have a rating of IP54, making them weatherproof, meaning they're well protected against the elements. Our compact charge points come with an IK8 rating and are made from tough polycarbonate material, making them ideal for installations where risk from damage is a concern. Our tough enclosures and anti-tamper screws make this a small but mighty solution. Our compact charge point comes with a Type 2 socket and is backed by a 3-year homeowner warranty once registered on our website. We hope you found this content helpful. For further information, please check out the SyncEV website and installer portal. You can stay up to date with our product ranges and our latest innovations by subscribing to the BG SyncEV YouTube channel and following @SyncEV on all social media channels. We would love to see your compact charger installations, so please share your pictures with us on the installer portal on the SyncEV website, www.syncev.co.uk. All links can be found in the description below. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.